To start with, make sure that the table is on a level surface, and use the feet screws to make sure that the table is level to the floor. Now make sure that the armrests are absolutely level, both on the X and the Y axis. You can use a long leveling ruler for this, or a leveling laser. The laser level is extremely accurate and can be used at any time to ensure proper levels throughout the process. If the table comes directly from us, you can be sure that it has been fabricated with a tolerance of 0.5 millimeters. So the adjustment brackets that come on top of the armrests will be level and are only used to lock the guide arms in place. However, you can use shims to level the adjustment brackets if you are using your own table. These screws are to lock the gantry guide arms in place. Now fit the right-hand guide arm, making sure that the two long bolts slot through their respective holes on the arm adjustment brackets. Make sure that the arm is exactly vertical and in line with the front of the machine. You're going to have to wiggle it around until you get it right. Then do the same on the side of the machine. And when you are happy, you can start tighten the nuts. Tighten the nuts of the guide rail as well. And then, check that it is exactly level. If you are happy, move on to the back of the machine and repeat the process. Then tighten the screws that keep the guide arm from moving left and right as well. Make sure every bolt and nut is tightened at this stage, because this guide arm is going to be the pivot for the left-hand side guide arm. The left of the machine. Make sure that the guide arm is vertical to the front of the machine. You can lie the arm sideways at first to line up the long screws, and then slot the entire length of the arm in. Wiggle about until it is exactly vertical to the machine. Do the same for the side of the machine, and when done, do not tighten. Purposely leave everything loose at this stage. Now mount the gantry onto the arms. And push the gantry from the back to the front. The weight of the gantry will pull the left-hand guide arm exactly straight. And at this stage, you can tighten all bolts and nuts. Now run the gantry up and down by hand a few times. Both arms should now be perfectly straight. However, to make sure, you can use a leveling laser, which gives very precise measurements. Your tolerance is 0.5 millimeters. If you are getting a higher reading, you will have to go through the procedure again, taking greater care of every step. You are welcome to call our technical department for more information. At AM.CO.za, we sell machines for you. We fix machines for you. And we teach machines for you.